Hello and welcome back. This is Juwan from Carpenters Dream DIY. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is episode 4. So if you guys haven't seen the previous videos, make sure you guys go back and watch those, all right? So you can be up to date on what we're doing and how we're doing it. So in this video, we've got a massive drywall slash debris cleanup, okay? Um, In the previous videos, you'll see how messy the floor was. It's a little bit more cleaner in this video than the other videos, but we've got a pretty massive cleanup on this project. So I got the front room slash kitchen kind of situated. If you guys see the previous videos, you guys will see that the front room was terrible, you know, terrible. Whole dumpster full. And this is only one dumpster, okay? One dumpster. So one of the guys that ended up helping me out with some of the work, he knew a guy and he called him. He said, "Hey, can you come down? You know what I mean? My guy, he's got some debris that needs to be hauled away." He said, "Oh, you guys need help?" He's like, "Oh, no, he's got it. We just need the trailer." So he ended up bringing the trailer down and we packed it out. Now, uh for sure, you want to have a mask on, okay? I didn't have a mask on in certain stages of this remodel, and I regret it. All right, I regret it simply because this is a lot of chemicals and things of that nature going into your system, and you don't want that. All right, over time, that stuff can really get in your system and do harm. Like, cause how I am, like I'm more so like a get to work person. Like let's get to it first. You know what I mean? Instead of like, oh, are we dressed for the occasion? Do we have all our PPE on? Things that depending on what we're doing. But when it came down to this, like when I started, you know what I'm saying? I just started knocking down walls, no mask. But you don't know what is behind these walls, okay? So learn from my mistakes, guys. All right, learn from my mistakes. You want to have I would suggest a respirator. Okay, you can change out the filters. Get you a respirator when you're doing demolition work. N95s and regular masks are cool, but I would highly suggest a respirator. All right. You guys were grilling me in the comments, and I deserve it. I deserve it because I wasn't wearing my PPE. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you guys are right on time. I won't lie to you. But, for all the people that are doing this line of work, demolition or anything that um, can have like chemicals going into your system, you know what I'm saying? I would highly suggest you wear a mask for sure. So, as you guys can see, all the walls, not walls, excuse me, all of the drywall is down and you can see basically through every room. This is 3 bed, 2 bath ranch home, meaning everything is on one floor, no upstairs, no downstairs. Everything is on one floor. So you can literally see through every room. So what we're doing in the video is just cleaning up room by room. And I won't lie, right? Those that are in this line of work, speaking specifically to demolition, you can make a lot of money in this field. So all my demo guys, keep going. I know you guys are out there eating. You should be because this was a lot of work. Mind you guys, I did all of the demolition myself. I might have had a little help with the haul away and maybe taking a couple of bags of debris to the trailer and the dumpster and things of that nature. But for the most part, I did a lot of this myself. So due to the fact that it was what can I say, a lot of drywall and things of that nature, it was little pieces of drywall. What I literally came up with was let me bag it all up and let me rent a dumpster and get it hauled away. You'll see in the end of the video that I'll be taking all of these bags out by a wheelbarrow because it was no way that I was going to carry all of these bags to the dumpster by hand. I mean, I would have if I had to, but I had a wheelbarrow, so I mean, man, can tools and like different pieces of equipment make our job easier? Amen. Now, to be honest, I did have this guy quote me. It was a guy that I knew. He quoted me $1,200 to clean up everything in the house, but that was not the haul away. Okay. Now, had it would have been the haul away as well, then he probably would have been on one. I would have been like, hey, let's do it. But the cleanup was simply just he would have been doing everything that you see me doing in the video, putting everything in a bag and probably putting it in a dumpster that I rented for 1,200. I just did see that as a deal when I can just do it this myself. You guys drop in the comments what would you have charged for something like this? I mean, I do get this is a lot of work, but like, what would be a price that you would have charged somebody to haul everything away, pick it all up off the ground? Let me know in the comments. Carpenter's Dream is rebranding. I want you guys to stay tuned. You guys been rocking with us for a while now. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Man, I appreciate the continued support. All the comments. Feel free to interact in the comments, responding to everybody. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Boy, was I tired after all of this.